Hi, welcome, and I hope you're doing well. Most of my videos are about repair computer tutorial, but for this video here I'll be doing a review on this brand new HP gaming laptop. I usually do not do a review on a brand new product, but since I have this and I'll be taking it apart, so I might as well just do a review at the beginning of this separate video here. Alright, let's get started. So here, let me show you the model number. So here is a HP Omen laptop. The model is 15 dc2010nr. This is running on an Intel 10 processor, 512GB solid state drive, 8 gigs of RAM. There's no optical drive, Windows 10, 15.6 inch LED display. This has a graphics card. So the graphics card is actually GTX 1650 Ti with the 4GB on it. Alright, it has a 4-cell battery, and the box is pretty big, you know, and that's how it looks like. Let me flip it around. This is the back of the box here. So let's take it apart and open up the box and show you what is inside. I got a sorry about the angle of my camera. I can only do an overview, and this is the best I could do, and I can't push it any further. So I'll try to move it around to make sure that I center my video here for you. And you know, I just got to apologize in advance because I do not have a different camera angle to show you everything. Alright, so once you open up the box, you get a little bit you get a one piece of paper right here. Just pretty much it says about the computer itself. It tells you the USB port on the side, the cooling fan that blows off from away from you, things like that. This is what it is. It has a little cover here. This is just like a cardboard, and once you remove the cardboard, you would have a HP warranty manual, right? And on the right side here is actually your adapter. So in here, what you're gonna have is a power cable adapter, and this is the charger. Okay, the chargers run off the regular HP with the blue tip on it, and you just have to connect this together here, and that's pretty much a straightforward charger for you. Okay, so you can go ahead and lift it up, and this is just a box. There's nothing else here. So let me close the box and put it on the side. So here's the laptop, and as you can see, it has a plastic cover. Go ahead and let me remove that and show it to you. Alright, so here's the laptop. This is the top. And let me show it to you away from you, where the fan is blowing the hot air. So this is the exhaust fan. It has it on both sides. Okay, so both sides here is blowing off the hot air. Here you have the USB-C, and this is the HDMI. This is the display port, I believe, or the lightning port. I'm sorry, I got to double check on this one for you. But this is how it looks like in the back. A USB 3.0 is here. The Ethernet port is here. Pretty much it's a very straightforward. Okay, and then let me review it on this side of the corner. So this side of the corner, you get a USB and a headphone jack. Sorry, the microphone jack, I believe. No, I apologize, I'm not looking at the right thing. So this is actually the charging port, and this is a USB port. Okay, so on the other end here on the left, you can get to see the microphone jack, the headphone jack, and the USB port. It doesn't have the CD-ROM here. It only has the SD card reader. Alright, so let me lift it up and show it to you. The keyboard. So you have this little cover. Here's the keyboard, the touchpad. So let's go ahead and turn it on. it has a red light on the top left corner, and the screen is booting up. So the keyboard actually have colors on it. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see it because so it has like red and orange on one corner, purple right in the middle, a little bit bluish greenish on the other side of it. See if I can turn off this light. Okay, hope this is better. You can see that the lighting here.
Hi there, I'm
Okay,
Cortana.
so these are the lighting on the keyboard. Okay.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me
so
to
what I'm
stay
going to do
quiet,
is I'm just going to
select
quickly
the
walk
little
through the
microphone
setup
icon
process.
towards the bottom of
Once
your
the setup is done,
If
I
you need an
will
assistive screen
shut it
reader,
down
press
and
the
end the
Windows,
video there for you.
Control, and Enter keys at the same time to
All
turn
right,
on
so
narrator.
let's get started.
Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right? Your keyboard is set to. Do you also type with another?
So I just answer yes,
Now
it's a
let's get you
US.
connected to a network.
Here, I'm not
That way
connected
you
to the
can get
network.
updates, apps,
So just so
and
you know,
videos
if you're
as soon as
connected to
possible.
the network, like
How
if
about
you
the
plug
first
in
one
your
on the list?
Ethernet,
Want to use that one?
if you plug in your Ethernet cable, that means you're connected to the network. It will walk you through to the Microsoft setup process. I personally do not like to set up through the Microsoft account through that process because I want my laptop to be a standalone local laptop, not to synchronize with Microsoft account. So make sure you're not connected to the network when you do this setup process. Just so you know. So I'm going to click I do not have internet.
Just so you know,
And then you want to
connecting
click
a
here.
network
It
now
says
will save you
continue
some
with
time
limited
later.
setup.
If you want to get that out of the way, choose yes.
Alright, so I'm going to click here. At the bottom left it says continue with limited setup. Let me just tilt the angle like this. It's easier for you to look at. Okay.
Next up, the legal stuff.
So just
In
read
short,
through the
you'll need
license
to select
agreement and
text.
click accept.
Type what you want to name your account.
I'm just going to type it as owner for now. I'm going to name it as owner.
Okay, now type a
Here
password
is where you're
for
going to
your
put a
account.
password to your computer. So I don't think I need a password because it's just me myself using it. I'm lazy to type in the password all the time to sign in to use the computer. I'm just going to skip it without any password. So I click next.
These are the settings Microsoft
Go through the
recommends.
settings,
Go
you
ahead
know,
and review them,
review
and
the
select
settings,
accept
and
when you're
if you
ready.
like the location to be accepted, click yes. If not, just go ahead and say no to that. But for my case, I'm just going to yes to everything and click accept.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana.
So
Can I
this
have
is the
permission
page
to
where it
use the
says
info I
Cortana.
need to
What
do
I'll
my best
do is
work?
I said not now. I do not want the Cortana to listen to my conversation. I'm not going to ask Cortana for help. So for that reason, I'm just going to say no.
Your device manufacturer would like your contact info.
So this
to
one
send you
here is
updates
actually an
and such.
HP registration product. The HP wants you to fill up the registration that just in case if you want to send for warranty or whatever reason to troubleshoot the computer, they have your information here. But for my case, I do not need them to have my information. I'm just going to click next. And registration, and the protect, I'm just going to uncheck everything. HP, I'm not going to give you any of my information because I don't, because you built a very good computer. I don't think I'll be sending you for a warranty, therefore
Almost
I'm not
done now.
registering the
We
product.
just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Alright, as you can see, the setup process is very straightforward. Just answer a few questions like what I did, and once you finish with that, you would get to this welcome screen. The Windows is starting to load up. Just give it a few minutes, a few seconds or so, and you get to your Windows screen. Okay, we are almost there, so just bear with me for like few more seconds. Alright, so once you're all set up, you would give you a welcome screen here. The HP would come here to welcome you and follow a few quick steps. They want to finish up the introduction. What I'll do is I'll just click let's go, and I'm gonna skip this step right here. You can click this step to skip it. Privacy and choice review, I'm gonna no to everything, so click done, and I'm just gonna exit out from here. Okay, so at this point, this pretty much your computer is all ready to go. Make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi or the internet. You can go back on here, click on the globe, and it will detect the Wi-Fi all around, you know, your house and your neighbors and whatnot. So at this point here, you're all set up, and I hope that this review, this is my first review on a new product here, so I just wanted to give you you know, how it looks like. It comes out from the box, and how the computer looks like, so at least you could get a chance to see it before you can you know, before you go ahead and purchase you know, this computer here or a different computer. So anyway, if you like the video, please, you know, give it a like, and I really appreciate that, and you know, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. And yeah, if you have any question, just comment below, and I'm more than happy to answer those questions. So until next time, take care and good luck.